Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ATS format CV in Word. Applicant tracking systems are software programs that scan your resume for keywords and proper formatting. Understanding how these systems work is your first step to success. A well-structured CV ensures your application gets past the initial screening, giving you a much better chance of reaching a human recruiter. Let's dive into the specifics. When creating your CV in Word, stick to standard fonts like Arial or Calibri, typically in 11 or 12-point size. This ensures readability for both machines and humans. Use clear, consistent headings for each section, such as work experience or education, to help the ATS categorize your information correctly. Also, maintain 1-inch margins on all 4 sides for a clean, professional look. Content is king for ATS. Carefully integrate keywords from the job description into your CV, but always make it sound natural. Begin your bullet points with powerful action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements effectively. Most importantly, quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. For example, instead of managed projects, say managed 20 projects, increasing efficiency by 15%. This provides concrete evidence of your impact. To ensure your CV passes ATS screening, avoid common pitfalls. Steer clear of graphics, tables, or text boxes, as these elements often confuse the software and can lead to your application being overlooked. Similarly, complex layouts or overly decorative fonts can make your CV unreadable to the system. Finally, always proofread your document meticulously for any spelling or grammatical errors. Even small mistakes can negatively impact your professional image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.